In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make social media templates in Canva. We'll go through each step to help you create eye-catching designs that can be customized and reused across your social media platforms. It's an easy process, and by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at designing your own templates. Let's get started. Begin by heading over to Canva's website. Once you're there, click on the Login button to enter your credentials and access your account. If you're using Google, select your Google account and click Continue to proceed. Now that we're inside Canva, we can dive into creating our template. On your Canva dashboard, you'll find a Create icon. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type in Social Media. This will bring up a range of social media templates. For this tutorial, let's select the popular and versatile 1080 by 1080 pixel size, which is perfect for Instagram posts and works well for other social networks too. Once you've selected the template size, it's time to start adding elements. Look for the Elements option on the left-hand panel. Here you'll find various design assets such as shapes, illustrations, and more. Choose any element you'd like to include. For example, we can add a frame to create a visually appealing border around our main content. Feel free to experiment with resizing and positioning the elements to suit your design vision. Now let's add some personalization to our template by uploading images. Click on the Uploads tab on the left panel, where you can import images from your brand or personal collection. Select an image that complements your design, perhaps a logo or a featured product. With the image in place, it's time to add some text. Click on Text in Canva's toolbar and select Add a Heading. This is where you'll type in your primary message or the title of your post. Afterward, using the text color icon, customize the font color to match your brand aesthetic. You can enhance the design by adding multiple text boxes for subheadings or detailed descriptions, repositioning them wherever necessary. Remember that you can always adjust the size and position of all elements, text, images, or graphics, to make everything fit beautifully on the canvas. Once everything looks just right, it's time to save your work as a template. Click on Share, then choose See All to navigate the available options. Head to the search bar and type in Template, then click on Brand Template. This will store your design for future use, streamlining your workflow. Finally, select the Canva folder where you'd like this template to be saved. If you don't have a folder set up yet, it's a good idea to create one for better organization. Once you've made your selection, click on Publish and Close, and there you have it. A reusable, professional-looking social media template ready to elevate your online presence. Thanks for watching and happy designing.